So world #1 tennis player Novak Djokovic is out of bondage and hoping to play in the Australian Open. And as expected, this issue is rapidly disintegrating into the usual political tug-of-war between the vaccinated and the unvaccinated. But you know what I say? Again, this thing is much more simple than it's being made out to be. Now, first and foremost, the Australian government has full jurisdiction over the entry or non-entry of all non-Australians into them country. So this thing about exemption and this judge ordering Djokovic free, etc., if the Australian government want to, they can withdraw the visa again without explanation. So this thing where people jumping up and down and talk about human rights and blah, 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 we are still in a global pandemic. And the world knows about the Australians' tough COVID-19 measures, including the strict vaccination requirements. Novak is a well-known anti-vaxxer and is simply trying to pull a fast one. Testing positive for COVID-19 in December was a very convenient exemption excuse for Novak Djokovic. But it shouldn't come to that. As a tennis fan, I would love to see him play in the Australian Open. But in principle, I would fully understand the Australian government still finding a way to slam the door shut on Novak Djokovic.